I think it's just enough space for family of three.